is for aging, baby.
You need that.
I need this.
Adventskalender.
Oh, an
But that's
address
from
calendar
Izzy.
from
I don't know what that
Izzy.
A chocolate.
Yeah, say hi. Good morning. Good. Okay, open first, Francine.
You first.
They got a gift from Rolf and Corey. Merry Christmas. What is that?
Open it.
Do it like that. Okay. Show. Ah, that's cute.
A chocolate.
That is not
Uh-oh, again broken.
Oh, don't break it. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. What's next? Don't open it yet. First, take out everything. Another chocolate.
There's some here, but it's broken now.
And that is a toy. What's that? Wow, a toy.
Put it.
Puzzle.
A big dish.
Papa.
But watch out not that you fall.
And you swim with that.
Yes. Show me.
It's not swimming.
Shower the
Put it there.
unicorn.
Ah, unicorn. And a shower. Why did I buy? God, there's so many now.
Okay.
That's it. Wow, good.
And last turn.
Yeah, you too. You first.
Okay.
I've got kaugumi,
Kaugumi.
bubble gum,
Watch out, Francine, not that you fall.
white chocolate,
Oh, Milka.
cream. I don't know what for a cream.
It's open it. Open it.
Okay.
But
It's a little bag with cream and
show.
I like that.
Ah, okay. Fancy.
And I've got pencils, AZIMO those.
Yeah.
I don't know what's the name.
Okay.
Lotion again.
Again. Good.
Roll
Okay.
with a lemon. Gummy bears.
Gummy bears.
And an angel for
Eh,
angel.
Okay.
And
Francine, don't open
draw-
everything.
And to draw on it, like
And a drawing book. Nah?
horses.
Okay.
SALAMAT. Oh Lord.
Okay. Ella's turn.
Yeah, I get the same. The thing.
The same from Vanessa. Okay.
Wow, see, look what Francis getting. A gummy bear.
A gummy bear.
A bracelet. A bracelet.
Okay.
And this again.
A lotion.
And a mirror.
A mirror.
A chocolate.
A chocolate.
I take that.
Oh no.
You don't want that.
And again a bubble gum.
A bubble gum.
And that angel thing.
That an angle. Ah, good.
Wow, yeah.
Okay, that's good. So,
Okay.
okay, Papa will help.
I know.
Papa must help Pen.
So what do you have here?
So what do you have there?
Some
Francine,
food.
come here. Come here, Francine. Wow.
You got white for your bomb. Listen.
With the fire.
Pacifier.
I'm feeling excited to get it.
Oh, cute.
Pacifier.
Oh Lord.
Then you have got a jumper jacket.
Ah, and a chocolate. What the?
Und Pflegemilch. That's cream.
Cream?
The cream, that's cool.
Uh-huh.
That's also nice.
Wow.
What shoe?
Yeah, and Francine has the too.
So we have to make a shout out.
Yeah, so what will you say? Thank you.
We have to make a shout out to my, how do you say? Step parents, friends, very close friends.
Mm-hmm.
They send a lot of gifts to the kids.
Yeah.
Also, like grandparents or something.
Yeah, like a grandparents already.
They're not related to me, but they are very close friends.
What?
Hat den
Ah,
Francine auch
there's...
schon wieder geöffnet?
Yeah, she get
Nein, das
panic.
ist kaputt gekriegt.
Yeah, it's kaputt. Okay, we got more here. Another one. Oh, it's a L'Oreal. That's yours? So, Mama. for Mama. We open this one, big. So Mama will look good on this.
Yes.
Yeah, this is for me. A set of L'Oreal Revital Lift.
Did you mommy?
Anti-aging. Anti-age plague. Cream and a serum. Wow! Thank you. This for aging, baby.
You need that.
I need this. And what else we have here? Go, Papa. Oh, a chocolate. Papa's favorite. Okay.
In your drink.
Oh, we have a
Mama's favorite.
yeah,
Mine too. It smells good.
yeah, for all ale.
Some nice, yummy Christmas cookies.
Wow, look, see me, show me. Oh, this looks so yummy. Christmas cookies.
Das man diesen Make-up, glaube ich, wegmachen.
Disinfectant, yeah. For traveling, maybe.
What I see? Cut.
It's a hand gel. Yeah, it's a hand gel.
Oh, yeah.
Johannisbeer Marmelade.
Marmalade.
Selfmade. Oh,
Another.
Aprikosen Marmelade.
Yeah,
Oh,
yummy,
apricot.
That's
Yeah,
really yummy, I like
yeah,
that.
apricot. Apricot.
So then we have got something for mom again. Serious expert. Vitamin color, blah blah blah.
Yeah, another cream. L'Oreal cream.
Disinfectant.
Yeah, hand gel from Garnier.
You do that here because you know.
Meron tayong ano guys. Gel douche.
Kaya.
Two of them.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a
For
gel.
shower?
I don't know. Babies, sensitive skins, babies, children, and adults. Soothing shower gel. Yes, it's a shower gel.
Okay.
Good job. Meron na naman tayong Neutrogena body spray.
From Norway.
Meet Nordic Berry. Oh, thank you.
Then for the kids, toothpaste,
Yeah, toothpaste. We don't.
whatever that is.
Yeah. Lotion. Pliginder Corporate Balsam.
More toothpaste for
Baby
Junior.
Skinder and Air Vaccine, so everybody can use that. And another toothpaste
For the kids.
for the kids.
Another one for the kids.
Another one for the kids. Seems like we don't need to buy toothpaste for this.
Anti-transparent.
Oh, anti-aging again, guys, from Vichy. Vichy Laboratory. I think this is for wrinkles. Kita nyo? Di man mag-focus, oy. Focusing on other stuff. Ate, yan. Di man siya mag-focus. Vichy. Basta cream siya, guys. Anti-aging again.
That is for a cream for Francis for
Okay.
his skin when he's got the rashes.
Oh,
So he won't be having a sleepless night for pain or something.
another cream.
then more
Oh,
chocolate
thank
here.
you. And more chocolates.
Das na cut.
And more chocolates. Tissues.
Serviettes for Christmas table.
Christmas tissues. Para siyang tissues,
Yeah,
right?
tissues,
Yeah,
yeah.
tissues. Para sa
For
table.
your nose.
Oh.
That's for an online teacher.
Yeah, learn healthy. Oh. 60 tagi. This is good for the kids. Sofatutor.com.
So what's this?
A towel.
Another towel.
Dankeschön. Towel? I'm not showing myself in the video because I look so good.
I was thinking for Jene to
Oh.
advance calendar.
Oh, an address calendar from Ise. Hello, is that makeup ta?
Nein, Nagellack.
It's alle, ne?
Für Nagel.
For Nagel. Hello, guys.
Du musst das
24. My advent calendar came late. Thank you. So, was hast du gesagt? Was hast du sagen?
Für Papier.
Isa papier. Isa sticky paper. Tingnan nyo sila, guys, na ano sila, guys. Ang saya kasi ang daming gifts.
Nee,
And si
weil-
Francis doon. And si Francis' own world.
Das kann lang hier.
Wow, is that yours? Whoa. What will you say? Thank you. Thank you. Busy sila, guys. Busy sila. So that's it, guys. A Christmas present from Tante Cory and Uncle Rolf. Yeah,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much. Dankeschön. Look at that, Francis is...
Vanessa.
Yeah. Look at that. Francis is busy on the kwan, oh. Kukuk. Busy din siya sa presents niya, oh. Ha, 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 ha. Has you gisag already? Dankeschön.
Thank you.
Yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I wanted it.
Yeah.
Need more bubble gum.